I am going to be replacing both front wheel hub bearings on this Pontiac G6. All right, I've got it jacked up right there. I'm ready to take this wheel off. It's held on by a 19mm lug nut. Next, we need to remove this caliper and caliper bracket. It is held on back here by two 15mm bolts. I've got a 36mm socket for this axle nut. I've got this nut flush with this axle. All right, so this top one, it looks like it's going to be the hardest one to get to. 13mm socket, bolt here, and then one over here, but obviously on the other side. On the other side. All right, so we've got everything disconnected from this, so now we just need to pound on this until it starts to break free. You also need to remember to disconnect this plug over here. All right, so obviously part of it stayed in there, the part with the sensor, so we need to go ahead and pound that out as well. I'm gonna put some grease on here so that the new part will slide in a little bit easier. Here's the part number for the new part that I'm installing on this. It's got an area here that is oblong, and I believe that is for this sensor to fit in here, so that sensor goes in on this side. Obviously, don't forget to reinstall this dust shield. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of thread lock on these. All right, so I've got all these snugged down, so now I'm going to go around, torque them down to 50 foot-pounds, and then the final torque after that will be 85 foot-pounds. The torque for this is 159 foot-pounds, and we cannot use an impact on this, but I am just going to use this to get it pretty close until we're almost there. All right, so we've got this new part installed. So now we just need to throw all the rest of this back together. Obviously, don't forget to plug the new sensor back in and put it back up into place. Now we're ready to throw our wheel back on. We need to pop out the center cap so that we can do our final torque on that axle nut when this is on the ground. And these need to be torqued down to about 100 foot-pounds and obviously go in a star pattern. You must need a special socket to be able to fit in that center area there to torque this down, but should be fine. We torqued it on there while it was up in the air. You're supposed to torque it when it's on the ground, but I think it'll probably be fine. So now we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're all done. Thanks for watching. God bless.